Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn English with Obi. Today I have a special story for you about a tiny tree named Minu. This story is perfect for our primary learners, so gather around and let's dive in. Many years ago, in a deep forest, there lived a tiny tree named Minu. Minu was very sad about being so small. Every day she looked at the other trees and felt sad about her small size. Minu asked herself every moment, why can't I grow taller like other trees? Days passed, and one evening, a large tree named Veer was passing by. He glanced at Minu, who looked sad. Curious, he asked her, Minu, why are you looking so sad, dear? Why don't you go and play like the others? Minu replied sadly, look at me, I am so small. I want to be tall like you and the others. Veer smiled and responded, it doesn't matter how big or small you are, dear. What truly matters is how firm and deep your roots are. Minu was confused. She responded, I don't understand what you are saying. Veer chuckled and replied affectionately, our roots help us to stand straight. Strong roots make us powerful, just like our goodness, and our relationships make us strong. Minu realized that she was looking at her life in the wrong way. After that, Minu became very happy. That idea of strong roots not only helped her to grow internally but also externally. She always helped others whenever they needed it. She formed strong relationships with many trees, birds, and animals. And one day she became even stronger and more delighted. Now, the moral of the story is life is not about being small or large. It's about how kind and strong our bonds are with others. A strong heart leads our life to great heights. I hope you enjoyed this story. Remember, just like Minu, it's important to have strong roots and be kind to others. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun stories and English learning content. See you next time.